Well, hey guys, decided I would throw a short update video about the COVID-19 shot up. Um, Let me let you know right off the bat, uh, if you don't like the fact that I got the shot and that I'm all about having gotten the shot and that I'm hoping that more people will get the shot, then don't bother leaving a comment. I don't care. Okay? Flat out. If you think it's great, then by all means tell me that. But um, I don't need to hear from the conspiracy theorists and the guys thinking that we're getting shipped by Bill Gates or something. We're not. I've seen the needle. I've had it in my arm. It's too small to carry a microchip. Way too small. Because I was actually a certified electronics technician at one point in my life, and there is no electronics that can get that small. Not a full computer that will actually do GPS tracking and everything. And I've also seen, like when I had my dogs chipped, the needle that they use, and it's huge, it's big, and like a millimeter in diameter, so that they can get that little millimeter long, diameter chip into the dog. So it's not, not possible. But as far as how I'm feeling, my shoulder is still sore. This is day 3, and we're like 5 o'clock in the evening. I wanted to wait until the end of the day just in case something came up during the day that you said, oh, there's a symptom or a side effect that I hadn't had, but I haven't had any side effects today. Yesterday I had diarrhea in the morning. 2 times to the bathroom, and that was gone. That was done. So that was all right. That was very, very minor and not even that much of an inconvenience because I spent most of yesterday morning in the house anyway. So just trying to clean up the house a little bit. It's kind of a mess. Let's see. I haven't had an upset stomach. I haven't had any nausea. I haven't had any dizziness. I do get winded, but that's due to I'm already on blood thinners for the bilateral pulmonary embolism. I don't like the blood thinners. I really hope that after the 3 months is up that I'm supposed to take them, that they'll take me off of them. Really hope that's the case. I would really like to be able to get my wind back. I had enough energy today to go out and stack firewood for about 2 hours, so that wasn't too bad. Of course, I get to move the firewood over to where I'm stacking it with the tractor, so that makes things a little easier. I don't have to move it near as far by hand, but I still had to move it by hand too. So anyway, but yeah, I feel pretty good overall, and I think that I'm going to be just fine. I still have to get through this whole 6 weeks. I am still going to wear my mask, as I said before in the last video. And I'm going to continue wearing my mask after I am fully inoculated or vaccinated against this virus. But I am, I do feel that it's a good idea for me to let people who may not get the opportunity to speak to people who get vaccinated before they go to get vaccinated themselves, have somebody to listen to and go, okay, this guy did it and he's okay. People that are on the fence, especially the ones that are like, I don't know if I want to get it, I want to hear more about it. Well, I'm giving you more about it. Okay, that's my goal here. It's just to give you more information about it. Those of you that are completely against it and don't want to do it, that's fine. I don't fault you for that. I can understand the nervousness of it. This technology of this mRNA technology is brand new. It's been developed in the last 5 years, or 5 or 10 years, and this is the first vaccine that's using it. But I can tell you something else that you might not know, and I think I mentioned it in my last video, but I'm going to mention it again just in case. One of the things that mRNA is doing is giving us the opportunity to actually possibly vaccinate against cancer and AIDS and HIV and all kinds of different things that we've never been able to vaccinate against before, because it's brought out a new realization is that we can teach our bodies to fight parts of a virus, and the body will end up destroying the virus. Because the mRNA message you get with this vaccine is actually the spike protein. It teaches the body about the spike protein that's on the outside of the virus, and it makes your body start producing that spike protein. But then your immune system sees the spike protein and goes, oh, wait a minute, that doesn't belong here, and it starts destroying it. So it learns how to destroy it, And so then when you get the actual COVID virus, if you by chance get it, then your body sees that spike protein and produces the stuff that destroys it, and in the process learns to destroy the rest of the virus at the same time. But if it can destroy the spike proteins first, then the virus can't attach itself to the cells in your body and start destroying them and reproducing itself. That's what this vaccine does. But the same thing happens with other viruses that are out there that we haven't been able to come up with a vaccine for. So this has really opened some doors in the medical field that are going to be amazing in the years to come. So I hope that you will, trust in it a little bit, or at least stay on the fence about it and kind of watch what happens with others. I mean, with me, for instance. I will talk about it. I am not monetizing any of the videos where I get on here and I talk only about COVID-19. If I have a project video and I mention it like at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video or something, that'll still be monetized because that's a project video. But when I'm just sitting here talking just about this, then I'm not monetizing it. I'm not here to get rich off of COVID-19. Not that YouTube's going to make me rich. Yeah, it does okay. I mean, it's about half of my income, to be honest, which my income doesn't have to be much because I have little to no overhead. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and really appreciate you guys that are actually paying attention to what I've got to say and that appreciate what I've got to say. Like I said, please, if you're going to comment with conspiracy theories and all this good stuff, don't. I won't. The comment will be removed. I'm just not going to do it. If you want to leave a comment saying congratulations or thank you for the information or whatever, that's fine. But I don't need the negative feedback. I mean, I'm sorry, and if it makes me lose some subscribers, so be it. It's not going to be the end of the world for me. And there is a mouse running around behind my wood stove, behind the rocket mass heater over there. All right, guys. Well, looks like I need to set some mouse traps. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.